What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new for 2023 Yoda from Home Depot. Alright guys, so I got this thing when it was down 75% off at $50 from $200, so it was a pretty good deal. He has some amazing animation. Everything moves. His lifesaver moves up and down. He also has lights only mode, which is going to be great for me because I'm going to use him as like a night light at night in my room. His ears move, his mouth moves, his eyes move, he blinks like Lethal Lily. He has servo motors, so he has everything. He can also be used for both holidays, Halloween and Christmas, by switching out the signs and the hats. So that'll be great too. So let's get straight into this unboxing. So the first thing coming out is actually the base, which, yeah, pretty tiny. So there's a little snap lock, like a very tiny snap lock for where you're going to put the sign, and then another snap lock right here for his body, which there is a support frame, which is great. Right here we have the witch hat for when it is Halloween season. That'll go up there. Right here we have the instructions and the manual. Right here we have his lifesaver, which has all the LEDs in it, which is a pretty cool LED. It's bent a little bit, but I don't think it'll be a big deal. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, honestly. I don't really know. I've never watched Star Wars. I just got this guy because he was 50 bucks and I know he's a good prop. Right here we have one of his arms. This is the static arm because there isn't a motor. Right here we have the clothing, or some of it at least. We have the tan clothing, which I believe this is this the jacket or the, I'm not sure. Coming out right here is the body, which I love Home Depot for doing this. You never even get to see this part. You always have the jacket over everything, but they still made it green and they still have like a 6-pack on there. So yeah, the fact that they did that, they went above and beyond where you won't even ever see this, but they did it just to make it look good. All right, so right here we have the Halloween sign, which I'm taking out of the packaging. Beware of the dark side, you must. And then yeah, that'll just clip in right there. And then Yoda will be sitting right there, so that's pretty cool. And vice versa, right here we have the Christmas sign. A Merry Christmas you will have. Right here we have the other arm with the motor, which has the lightsaber that will move. Coming out right here, we have the head, which is actually kind of heavy, but it does have a lot going on. The ears move back and forth, the eyes move side to side, he blinks, he has his mouth movement and servos. This is a very interesting material. I'd imagine it's like silicone. It feels kind of like, not latex, it's definitely not latex, it won't dry rot. Vinyl, but it's not. I'm not sure what this is, because it's plastic in the back, but up here it's literally just that material. So we'll figure it out. It's probably silicone though. Right here we have the Christmas hat, which that's the other hat that we will use if we're using it for Christmas, not Halloween. Okay, so this is what's going to go over that body with the IR center, and that's the jacket down there. So that's good to know. And then right here we have the B-pole, which is just gonna go right here, and then we will attach the body after that. And then finally, we have the adapter, which seems pretty long actually. I haven't unwrapped it yet, but it looks pretty long. All right, so that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Guys, I got him all set up. So we're gonna look at lights only mode first, and then we're going to turn him on completely. Wake up. So that's what he looks like just with the light on.
Okay.
Enjoy the festivities, you will. My ally is joy, and a powerful ally it is. Truly wonderful the celebrations of this season will be. Have much fun together, we will.
All right, guys, so that was Yoda from Home Depot. This guy is really awesome, especially when you have a deal like I got for $50. This thing was absolutely a steal. There's still even some left. He's still not selling exactly well. I mean, we're probably in like March when I'm uploading this now, so he's probably gone at this point. But yeah, I don't know why. This guy was originally $200, which for how much motion you're getting, I think if you're a Star Wars fan, he's definitely worth it for how much you're getting. For me, it was probably worth it. It's just it wasn't high on my like bucket list. But when he dropped to 100, I was like, ooh, I might. And then I was like, okay, when he drops to 50, definitely. And that's when I did. So yeah, this guy is absolutely awesome. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to buy him if he's still in stock. And I will also leave a link in the description to buy the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.